Imagine this. You wake up, the sun is blinding, and all you can hear are the gentle lapping of waves. You push yourself up, sand sticking to your clothes, and you see it. You're on a deserted island. No phone, no food, no help in sight. Your first instinct? Pure, unadulterated panic. Most people would freeze up, make mistakes, and waste precious energy. But what if you knew the right steps? What if you had a plan? Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if you ever find yourself stranded on an island. These aren't just tips. They are the 7 pillars of survival that can mean the difference between seeing your loved ones again and becoming just another story. First things first, stay calm and assess the situation. I know it sounds simple, almost cliché, but it's the most critical step. Your heart is pounding, your mind is racing with what ifs, but you have to shut that down. Stop. Take a deep, deliberate breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now, look around. Use your senses. Where are you, really? Are you on a tiny sandbar that will disappear with the high tide, or a larger, more stable landmass? Look for signs of the tide line, wet sand, debris to understand how far the water comes in. Are there any immediate dangers? Listen for unfamiliar animal sounds. Look for tracks. Your immediate priority is safety. Find a secure spot away from the water's edge and potential hazards. Sit down, let the initial shock wear off. This is your new command center. From here, you plan. Your mind, when it's clear and focused, is your single most powerful survival tool. Don't let fear cloud it. Now for the non-negotiable, find fresh water. This is your #1 priority above everything else. You can survive for weeks without food, but in a hot tropical environment, you'll be in serious trouble within a couple of days without water. Dehydration will incapacitate you faster than anything else, so where do you look? The easiest source is rainwater. Scan your surroundings for anything that can act as a container. A discarded bottle, a coconut shell, even a large bowl-shaped leaf can be a lifesaver. Set up as many collection points as you can. If it's not raining, you need to look for other sources. Don't just drink from any random stream or stagnant pool you find. That water could be teeming with bacteria that will make you incredibly sick. If you find a flowing source of water, that's better, but you still need to purify it. The gold standard is boiling. If you can get a fire going, boil any water for at least a minute. If you can't, filtration is your next best bet. Create a makeshift filter by layering cloth, sand, charcoal from an old fire pit if you find one, and gravel in a container. It's not perfect, but it's far better than drinking contaminated water. Remember, every drop counts. Your life depends on it. Once you have a plan for water, you need to think about shelter. The elements are relentless. The blazing sun will scorch you and lead to heat stroke, while a sudden downpour can soak you, drop your body temperature, and lead to hypothermia, even in a warm climate. A good shelter is your defense against this. It doesn't have to be a log cabin. Think simple and effective. Look for natural shelters, first a cave, an overhanging rock ledge. If there's nothing, you'll have to build. The classic A-frame or lean-to are your best options. Use a sturdy branch as a ridgepole and lean other branches against it. Then weave palm fronds, large leaves, and smaller branches through the frame to create a waterproof and shady roof. The key here is to conserve energy. Don't try to build a mansion on day one. Create something small, just big enough to keep you dry and out of the direct sun. A good shelter not only protects you physically, but also provides a huge psychological boost. It's your home base, a place of safety in a world of uncertainty. With water and shelter sorted, your stomach will start to rumble. It's time to look for food. Now, while it's less urgent than water, food is what will give you the long-term energy to keep going and stay strong. Start with the low-hanging fruit, literally. Look for coconuts. They're an amazing source of calories, nutrients, and water. Scan the trees and shrubs for fruits you recognize. But here's a crucial rule. If you don't know what it is with 100% certainty, do not eat it. Many beautiful plants are toxic. A simple mistake could be your last. The sea is also a fantastic pantry. At low tide, explore the rock pools. You can often find crabs, shellfish like mussels or clams, and sea snails. They're easy to catch and a great source of protein. If you can fashion a simple spear from a long, straight branch, you can try your hand at fishing in the shallows. Remember, cooking is always the safest option. It kills parasites and bacteria, making your hard-won meal safe to eat. This brings us to our next game-changing skill. That skill is making fire. Fire is the heart of survival. It's warmth when you're cold and wet. It's the tool that purifies your water and cooks your food. It's a beacon of light in the darkness and a powerful deterrent to keep curious predators at bay. Most importantly, it's a signal for help. If you're lucky enough to have a lighter or waterproof matches, guard them with your life. Use them sparingly and effectively. If you don't, you'll have to rely on friction. This is challenging, but not impossible. The hand drill or the fire plow are classic methods. You need tinder something very dry and fibrous, like coconut husk fibers, dry grass, or shredded bark, and a lot of patience. Find a dry, V-shaped piece of wood for your hearthboard and a straight stick for your spindle. Then it's all about friction and persistence. When you see that first wisp of smoke and a glowing ember, gently transfer it to your tinder bundle and blow it into a flame. Protect that flame. Nurture it. A sustained fire is a symbol of hope and a massive leap forward in your survival journey. While you're mastering your new environment, never ever forget your ultimate goal: rescue. Surviving is one thing, but getting home is everything. You need to make yourself as visible as possible. Think big, think contrast. During the day, create a massive SOS or a large X on an open beach. Use dark rocks, logs, or even dig trenches to create shadows that are visible from the air. The universal signal of distress is 3 of anything: 3 fires in a triangle, 3 large piles of rocks. Keep a signal fire ready to go. Not your main cooking fire, but a separate pile of green leaves and branches that will produce thick, white smoke when lit. If you see a plane or a ship, light it immediately. And don't underestimate the power of reflection. A piece of a mirror, a shiny can lid, a polished belt buckle, anything that can flash sunlight can be seen for miles. Practice aiming the flash. Your ability to signal for help is your ticket off the island. Finally, let's talk about the battle that happens inside your head. Survival is as much a mental game as it is a physical one. Loneliness, despair, and fear can be more debilitating than hunger or thirst. You have to stay mentally strong. The best way to do this is to keep busy and maintain a sense of purpose. Set small, achievable goals each day. Today I will collect more water. Tomorrow I will improve my shelter's roof. The day after I will try to catch a fish, celebrate every small victory. Finding a coconut is a win. Getting your fire started is a huge triumph. These little successes build momentum and keep hope alive. Talk to yourself if you have to. Remind yourself why you're fighting. Think about your family, your friends, your life back home. Every hour you survive, every sunrise you see, you are increasing your chance of rescue. Never give up. So let's recap the 7 pillars of island survival. 1. Stay calm and assess your situation. 2. Find and purify fresh water. 3. Build a protective shelter. 4. Cautiously look for food. 5. Master the art of making fire. 6. Constantly signal for help. And 7. Stay mentally strong and never lose hope. Hopefully, you will never find yourself in this situation. But knowledge is power, and knowing these steps could be the most important thing you ever learn. It could one day save your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information useful and want to learn more about survival, adventure, and wilderness skills, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe out there and stay prepared.